Lesson 7th. Tense. Tense is the form taken by the verb to show the time of action or state. There are three kinds of tenses, namely present tense, past tense, future tense. Each of these tenses is divided into four categories: present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Past tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Future tense, simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. Present tense talks about an action that is happening now. Simple present tense is used to express habitual actions, universal truths, actual things, etc. Let's read some examples. He sings well. Sun rises in the east. Present continuous tense is used for actions taking place at time of speaking. Let's read some examples. She is speaking. He is singing a song. Present perfect tense is used for the action that was going on but has finished. Let's read some examples. He has spoken. They have passed the test. Present perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that began in the past and is still continuing. Let's read some examples. He has been reading for 2 hours. I have been studying here for last 10 years. Past tense talks about an action that is over. Simple past tense is used to express previous facts, previous habits and action that happened in the past. Let's read some examples. I studied hard for the examination. He completed his homework. Past continuous tense is used to express the action that was happening over a period of time in the past. Let's read some example. She was singing on the stage. We were eating our lunch. Past perfect tense is used to express an action that took place in the past at a certain time. Let's read some examples. He had done his work before you did. She had spoken good about her. Past perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that began in the past and continued up to a certain time in the past. Let's read some examples. He had been sleeping since morning. It has been drizzling for last 2 hours. When a verb shows that an action will take place in future, it is called future tense. Simple future tense is used to express an action that is going to happen in future. Let's read some examples. I will go to the market. The boy will run fast. Future continuous tense is used to express an action that is sure to happen in the future. Let's read some examples. She will be dancing. The boy will be writing a poem. Future perfect tense is used to express an action that will be finished at a future time. Let's read some examples. The train will have arrived at the railway station at 3 p.m. The girl will have to run fast to win the race. Future perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that will be going on for some time in the future. Let's read some examples. By evening, I shall have been writing 10 pages. You will have been working in the office for 2 years.